Hello everyone, we got a recycle truck coming in. So get ready. Gonna make sure he doesn't do anything dumb. But he's okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to say that. But I'm gonna be posting this video out. You'll see the recycle truck is over that way. So you'll see him right there. And so I have the light. I hope the light will be good. I don't know. But there should be some light, so yeah. Here we go. You can hear him right there. Kind of loud too, but it's okay. You hear how loud that is? Get ready. I'm gonna zoom it in. Here goes the police car. Hey, he's just emptying. He's emptying the thing. So get ready. He'll be coming by in a second. Well, he did a good job. But here we go, guys. Let's see what happens. He did a good job with that. Let's go. Hey, that was fun. There he goes. Look, there he goes right there. There we go. Columbia City, Indiana. Recycle Day. Thursday. And there he goes. Say bye, everyone. Alright. Have a good day, guys. Peace out.